Shadow English Affirmations. Speak kindly to yourself. Remind yourself of how much you've grown and how strong you're becoming. In slow English, so you can reinforce those positive thoughts while learning English. I was talking to myself the other day. I talk to other people all the time. I tell them about my problems and I share my thoughts with them. But other people will eventually get tired, bored of hearing about your problems. However, when I talk with myself, I can go on for hours and I'll never get bored of listening. I talked to myself and I reminded myself of all the beautiful traits I have inside of me. I reminded myself of how strong I am, how smart I am, how capable I am of reaching any goal I set my mind to. And I feel so much lighter. Like I could do anything. And I want you to feel that way too. So, I wanted to share some of these positive thoughts that I had. Speak kindly to yourself. Remind yourself how much you've grown and how strong you're becoming. Listen to these affirmations daily and bring positive energy into every day. I am strong. I am strong. I can do anything. I can do anything. Every day, I grow more into my authentic self. Every day, I grow more into my authentic self. I am proud of how far I've come. I am proud of how far I've come. I am not the same person I was a year ago. I am not the same person I was a year ago. I remember when English felt impossible. I remember when English felt impossible. Now I understand much more. Now I understand so much more. Every mistake helps me grow. Every mistake helps me grow. I am not behind. I am not behind. I am on my own path. I am on my own path. I speak better than I did before. I speak better than I did before. I am building confidence every single day. I am building confidence every single day. My accent makes me authentic. My accent tells a story of who I am. Learning English proves that I can learn anything. Learning English proves that I can learn anything. I can handle any challenge thrown my way. I can handle any challenge thrown my way. I trust the process. I trust the process. I am becoming more confident each time I speak. I am becoming more confident each time I speak. I am allowed to take my time. I am allowed to take my time. I celebrate small progress. I celebrate small progress. Small progress is still progress. Small progress is still progress. I am brave for trying. I am brave for trying. My voice deserves to be heard. My voice deserves to be heard. I am creating new opportunities for myself. I am creating new opportunities for myself. I am not afraid of messing up, making a mistake. I am not afraid of messing up. I am proud that I try. I am proud that I try. I am disciplined. I am disciplined. I show up even when it's hard. I show up even when it's hard. When things get difficult, it means that I'm growing. When things get difficult, it means that I'm growing. Challenges are opportunities to grow and learn. Challenges are opportunities to grow and learn. English is not just a language. It's proof that I can grow. English is not just a language. It's proof that I can grow, that I am growing. I am patient with myself. I am patient with myself. I allow myself to learn at my own pace. I allow myself to learn at my own pace. I do not compare my journey with someone else's. I do not compare my journey with someone else's. I used to struggle with words. Now I express my thoughts. I used to struggle with words. Now I express my thoughts. I am proud of the courage it takes to speak. I am proud of the courage it takes to speak. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am becoming more confident in my life, not just in English. I am becoming more confident in my life, not just in English. Don't forget how capable you are of doing anything you set your mind to. You can live the life of your dreams. Talk to yourself. Tell yourself you can do it. You are capable of doing it. You just have to start. Think about the first time that you tried to speak English. Now, think about today. And if you can learn a new language, imagine what else you are capable of. Listen to this again tomorrow and remind yourself of who you are becoming. And remember, never stop learning.